Upgrade alert! Samsung to bring Galaxy's S24's instant slow-mo feature to older models. Last month, Samsung Galaxy launched its Galaxy S24 series with a range of innovative features, including instant slow-mo. This feature enables users to watch recorded videos in slow motion simply by long pressing on them, eliminating the need to record in slow motion or manually edit the effect. Initially exclusive to the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung is now extending instant slow-mo to older devices. On February 13th, a moderator in Samsung's official South Korean community forum announced the expansion. After sharing the details of the feature, they revealed that 8 older smartphones would soon support instant slow-mo. These include the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, Galaxy S23 Ultra, Galaxy Tab S9, Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, Galaxy Z Flip 5, and Galaxy Z Fold 5. The post explained that the feature requires a powerful neural processing unit and graphics processing unit with a minimum processing speed of 16.6 milliseconds for 60 frames per second videos. All 8 listed smartphones feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, meeting the necessary threshold. As a result, it's unlikely that phones with older or less powerful processors will receive this feature.